So, oh my goodness. His feet landed. It's all right. Put your hands together for Edgar. Put your hands together. You got it. You got it. They thought that they could reach their success without first going through the obstacles. But the way that successful people actually get to their goal is not by avoiding their obstacles, it's by using their obstacles to figure out how I can learn from the mistakes that I made, how I can learn from the obstacles that I face, and how I can utilize the obstacles that were set before me to get to my eventual success. Successful people are not those that know how to avoid obstacles. They're those that see the obstacles, and instead of making excuses, they find solutions.
I think our students were completely engaged. I was surprised at how much they wanted to participate, open to hear the message. They were just couldn't wait to be answering the questions. They were so excited and engaged. It was phenomenal.
I'm not a fluent reader. I'm not good enough. I'm not strong enough. I'm not smart enough. I haven't reached my goal. Yet means I can't do this right now, but I know that I can figure it out.
Sometimes I'll think to myself that I can't do this, right? Sometimes I'll think I can't do that. And with his yet speech, I now said to myself, I can't do this yet.
If you continue working and you continue grinding and you continue to stay focused and you believe in the power of yet, that you will eventually triumph.
It's really important that everybody gets to know this, that you may not be able to do something right now, but you will always be able to do it eventually.
I want you to pretend that this is a couple months, a couple years, a couple down the road. If you keep grinding, that yet can become a yes. Are you a fluent reader? Are you good enough? Are you smart enough? Are you strong enough? Did you achieve those dreams? Don't confuse your delay with defeat. Just because it didn't happen immediately doesn't mean it won't happen eventually. That's the power of yes. You'll eventually triumph. That's YET. Go ahead and put your hands together if you believe in the power of yes. Go ahead and clap if you think that you can be successful.
I think they really understood the power of yet. Your eventual triumph. That's a great message. The students took that in. I think he gave great examples of that, and I think for us moving forward as a teaching staff, we're going to utilize that message, and every time we hear students think they can't do something, we're going to remind them of that power of yet.